If you're choosing between OpenCode and Goose AI, here's the quick comparison. OpenCode is a great choice for developers who prefer an open source, highly customizable AI coding assistant. It runs locally or in your own environment, gives you full control over your workflow, and is ideal for users who value flexibility, privacy, and community-driven development. While Goose AI focuses on making AI automation simple, accessible, and helps users complete tasks across different apps and workflows with an easy-to-use interface. A strong option for individuals and teams looking to boost productivity without complex setup. Overall, if you're a developer who wants maximum customization, local deployment, open source flexibility, and technical users, OpenCode is the better choice. But if you want a simple productivity, focus more on AI assistant agent that simplifies automation and integrates smoothly into everyday workflows, Goose AI is the better fit.